This video demonstrates how the miniOrange Forms plus Checklists and Notes app helps improve task management and productivity in Monday.com. You can create new notes by clicking the highlighted New button as highlighted. The app allows you to store multiple notes, as shown. Let's take a look at a note and its features. Each note includes options like reminders, color customization, font style and size changes, and image insertion, along with functionalities such as pinning, archiving, deleting, and moving notes. Here, I have created a note with a title, description, and checklist, as shown. At the top, you'll find additional features such as the notification bell, theme changer, notes filter, archive and dashboard sections, along with undo, redo, and support options. The notification bell consists of two sections. One section displays notifications for items or sub-items assigned to you, along with updates on their status changes. The other section is the reminder section, which notifies you about due items or sub-items within the time frame you choose. Now, let's take a look at how to create an item, sub-item on the Monday.com BOA or link an existing item by clicking the Item, Sub-item button as highlighted. When you click on Create Item or Sub-item, the following form appears, allowing you to fill in all the details for that board or group. As soon as you click the Create button after filling out the form, the item is instantly created on the Monday.com board, as highlighted. You can also update the status directly from the app by clicking the Update Status button. Here, we are updating the status to Done. You can also update other columns in Monday.com if required. Additionally, you can choose whether the item should be marked as done in both the Notes app and the Monday.com board, or only in one place. As soon as we mark it as done in both the Notes app and Monday.com, the note gets struck through to indicate that it has been completed. Similarly, on the Monday.com board, the item is also marked as done. Since this app supports two-way sync, any changes made directly on the Monday.com board will also be reflected in the Notes app. Here, we changed the status of the same item from done to working on it. As soon as the status is changed on the Monday.com board, the user receives a notification in the app. The user can then choose whether they want to reopen the note or keep it marked as completed. Similarly, just like an entire note can be linked to an item or sub-item, a checklist can also be linked to an item or sub-item by clicking the arrow button. You can also set reminders for the checklist if needed. Let's take a look at another feature where an item is assigned to you directly from the Monday.com board. Here, as you can see, as soon as an item or sub-item is assigned to you, a notification appears asking whether you want to create a note for that item or sub-item. Now, let's take a look at the dashboard feature. The dashboard gives you an overview of all your notes, checklists, items, and sub-items, along with their completed and pending status. You can also view it in the form of pie chart. Please reach out to us at info@securify.com if you have any questions.